I'm Anna. I generally spend my time quietly working on projects by myself. Until my mom finds a piece of furniture on the side of the road. Now check out the chaos that follows.
Crazy.
It's adventure time with my mom and my sister.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yes.
Really?
We are driving down the street because my mom saw a desk and she thinks I might want to refinish it. So yeah, we just stopped everything we're doing and we're going for a little drive. What has happened to it?
It's like it's been in the rain. Does it help that there's a dog barking at the window announcing?
Even better. Okay. I'm going to refinish this on YouTube.
Oh, that.
So it's even better like this.
You got it?
My sister's like, and there's a dog announcing to the world that we're doing this.
Oh, it's 2 dogs.
Oh, even better.
We can probably just lay down.
I now have a desk that needs a makeover, and I have a sister who needs a new workspace. So this might work out really well if I can rescue the desk. I started by disassembling the entire desk to make it easier to paint. And I removed the backing because I don't want to paint it at all. I have something else in mind. I sanded everything with 220 grit, just a light scuffing. The last step in my pre-paint prep was cleaning with crud cutter. It's really easy to use and works pretty well. I just spray and wipe. Because I'm painting laminate, I have to be a little particular with my prep. That's why I sanded, I cleaned with crud cutter, and I have to use a specific primer because paint doesn't really like to stick to laminate. So this is the primer that I'm using. And I'm going to prime everything. Let's do a time lapse. I'm ready to start painting, and I'm using the same paint I used in the kitchen. So if you want to check out what that looked like, there's another video. And this is a really durable paint, so as the desk gets worked, the paint should stay and not chip. Oh, and I'm painting it white. It's called Simply White, which is the trim I used in my house, and I love the color. I've done 2 coats of paint on the desk, and it's definitely gonna need 1 more. I'm hoping not 2 more. Okay, I'm hoping just 1 more, but if I have to keep painting it, oh well, it doesn't take that long. I'll just keep painting it. But right now, I have the backing to the desk, and I don't wanna paint that. I want it to be a little more fun. This is my sister's desk. Why not make it, I don't know, a little more fun, other than just white paint? So I have some gold and white wallpaper. And it's just like geometric lines. It makes like, I don't know, some funky shapes. And that's what I want to put on the backing. But like I just said, there's so many coats that I have to put on the desk. I don't know if this wallpaper is thick enough to cover this reddishy brown color. So I'm going to give it a little try in a corner, like just kind of cover some of it up. And then if I have to put primer all over this, I will. I'm hoping not, but I'll do it to make it look good. My piece is cut, so now I just want to see how well this covers. So I'm just going to peel off a corner and just place it on. I guess that's not bad. I think I can get away without painting it. It looks white. Okay, now for the tough part, actually putting it on. Not too bad. Just a few little air bubbles to squeeze out, but not bad. Okay, now the other side to do. Oh no, that's gonna go. To line up my seams, a little more precision, and hopefully less air bubbles. But I like how it looks. Not bad. It is nice that you can keep like peeling it off and repositioning it. That really helps. Like I would kind of get it like all wrinkled up in one corner, I'll just lift it and smooth that out. That really helps. But it looks sharp. It's gonna look so good on the back of the desk. Now, there is a little strip here. It's maybe an inch that I haven't covered up yet. And I'm going to be very cheap and I'm just gonna use this cutoff and just kind of match it up the best I can. It's going to be in the corner, like you won't even see it. It's gonna be hidden by the monitor or whatever else I hide it with, but I don't feel like cutting a whole strip. I'm just gonna make it up with this. I'm sure they don't recommend doing that, but that's what I'm going to do. And I have a little bit of excess to cut off, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'll be ready to take this over to my parents and put it up. I mean, after like several more coats of paint, but I really love how this turned out. Just a cute little added touch, some wallpaper. Oh, and this wallpaper was on clearance at Home Depot, so I mean, why not?
Yeah, sorry, problem with the mic, as in I turned it on twice, which means I turned it on and then turned it off. Let me explain. When I took apart the desk, I saw that my sister was using mismatched bins for her pens and stuff, but we can do better than that. Using scrap wood, I'm going to make a custom drawer divider. In the snow, I cut 2 pieces of that scrap wood and sanded them smooth. I left the nails to my brad nailer at my parents', so Ralph thankfully went old school and nailed it into the shape of a T.
I'm not staining this or changing the color of the wood. I'm just going to seal it because it's going inside a drawer that already looks like natural wood-ish. So just a little bit of sealer. The 4th coat of paint, yes, the 4th coat of paint has been drying now for 6 days, and I think we're ready to put this all back together. The desk is all back together, so we can start organizing it. First, let's put in our drawer divider. I might use this word a lot, but it definitely applies here. Isn't this so cute? I mean, from side of the road to like the cutest little workstation. And all it was really just a lick of paint. Like all I did was paint it. Oh, paint and the backing was the wallpaper. that was on clearance. So totally perfect. Now I know the person who had this before us didn't need it. Perfect, because we totally did. And instead of buying a new desk, we did this for the cost of a can of paint. And I love it. What do you think? Come on, you've gotta love it as much as I do. It's so cute. And if you like this video and how cute this desk is, give this video a like, and remember to leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye. Thankfully, I don't have to leave the house because there's like little ice pellets hitting the window. Oh, do I have volume? Okay, good. Wow, I sound like a squirrel. I don't know what to say. Okay, I'm gonna do that again. Okay. I can't see, just go pace somewhere else. Ralph's pacing. He's like, I don't know. Okay. Stop laughing, Mara! Stop it! My sisters are laughing at me over there. One is like not even in the same province and she's laughing at me. Okay.